Go, John.
20. Oh. Number 20.
20, sure na. Miss Grace, open the briefcase.
Yes! Yes! Thank you. Ouch.
Yes.
Galing ko.
Galing ko. Galing mo, pare.
Her name was Rhea.
Thank you very much, Rhea from Greece.
Sorry, Rhea.
Maraming salamat po.
Okay. 26 pesos. Press the button, it's yours. Saying let's open your case. Deal or no deal?
Siyempre naman, no deal. No deal.
Talaga tinulak ko na siya. Move. Hanggang
300
dito
pesos.
lang. Here lang, guys. Okay. Pwedeng 25 pesos, pwedeng 300 pesos. Ang nilalaman ng briefcase nyo, 25 pesos. Miss Guadalupe, please open. Join them.
Thank you.
Invite everybody. Desperadas, right?
Desperadas.
Metro Manila Film Festival with Rufa, Marian, a lot more.
Marami pa, marami.
And then,
And then, humingi ako sa langit. We're taping pa, so sana...
with Miss Judy Ann Santos, of
And
course.
yes, of course.
You?
Maraming salamat sa Star Magic, ABS-CBN, Bench, tapos Kamani Kalayan.
Okay, thanks guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Hanggang sa susunod na kapamilya, deal or no deal.